to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is saying that, basically she's happy, even with the little that she has. She says that it's not, maybe not where she wants it to be, but at this time, but she's still happy in her own way. And she knows that, she's been provided for every single day. And therefore, she's not worried about, things happening for her in the right time. So, guys, go and catch the video and hear what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this, your beautiful year. For all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, my followers, my subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. And just keep on striving, no matter what you may go through, maybe financial or mental, um, any kind of anything that you're going through. Just keep holding on. Know that uh, there's a ray of sunshine at the end of the dark clouds. There is never going to be a moment where everything is going to be the same forever. There must be a change. You may be going through some difficulties. You may be having a bad time. You may not know where your next meal is coming from. But if you keep faith, knowing that one day things will change, it will. Know also that your thoughts, whatever we think about, we become as well. So when we think about things, we just have to be positive about it. Be positive about the situation. And not only that, but put our foot in the right position to make it move to where we want to go. If there's ever something in life that you want to achieve, you always have to push forward to that, because even the little baby steps, they make a big difference in life. So start somewhere. It may be small, and you may not see all the changes at once. But when you do the little things, it will start changing and becoming better and better. It's not the bigger that's always better, but you start at the smallest to get to the biggest, or to get to where you want to go. Start somewhere now, because we must start to finish, or we must start to continue. So start somewhere. We may not be happy with where we are financially, where we are mentally, where we are in life overall. But when we have the drive in us, that's going to push us forward each and every day, putting one foot before the other, then we will achieve and we will get to where we want to be in life. So keep moving. Do not stop. The option and the ball is in your court. Keep rolling it now. Don't stop. Have a great day.
Financial burden, man problem, husband problem, children problem, work problem, and them have problem in themselves. You must understand the reason why these people behave like on this on social media. Them have all kind of problem just like me too. But I'm here to tell you now, and it is a God Almighty truth. Marcia have no problem in my life except except me want me financial, where me have to have money enough to make me happy at all times. But me not have no problem. Because why worry when you can pray? Me not have no problem. Me have clothes, boot and shelter and food. I don't have no problem in my life more than to make enough money to live a better life where I can enjoy things. And what I have in my life, whether it is $1 or $2, I work with it to make myself happy. I am dating a man. I don't know if him have a woman out there, I don't care. It's what we have to share, as I said. Him like me, and me like him. And he treat me very well. It's what we poor, and me satisfied with it. But we happy in our own way. Me don't know about nobody else. And that is the God Almighty truth. I don't know how is it that who are out there on social media taking up Marcia problem and who no full a problem and stress, trials and tribulation. Where I reach in my life right now at this present moment, I can tell myself, say, that if I had any issues to make myself comfortable to paying my bills on time, me know say, for the present moment, I can see a light at the end of the tunnel. Me not have to worry myself for say when my bills are pay or when not pay. Me know say as long as I am in the situation where I am at the present moment, my bills can be paid on time. I don't have to worry about nothing. So at the end of the day, God fix it for me. I don't know about you, but I'm coming from a mighty long way with disappointment in my life. But through it all, I have been very faithful in many ways, and God has been very great and faithful to me. So me not understand how not taking up my problem pan on head. So me come tonight to break down some things. First, I want to address the situation again with Sean Miller. Sean Miller has been watching me on social media for I don't know long, maybe a year or two, I don't know. He might watch me from Woodland Village. Kind of something I mean, I know so the man they watch me. That man they reach out to me when me in a hotel. Way months and months and me in a hotel. I never tell that man to reach out to me. That man was on social media when the angel came and him claims see him give the angel $500 when somebody had called in and said them I donate $500. Me I telling you how the story go. Me in a hotel when me come out the 4th of December and me I do my little things and me in a hotel. In a nice hotel downtown Hartford. In a riff-raff hotel in the downtown Hartford. Me go over my Facebook in my messenger page and I saw a message because I've seen that name before over by YouTube during my time on YouTube. Many times whenever Facebook blocked me, I come over. And I remember that man, that name donated $100 in cash app in whatever. Me in my hotel long time before the man there and still a name food up and down said we. When I read the text message in WhatsApp, that in Messenger, that message was him trying to reach out to me has gone over 2 months prior or more. Because me just sometimes I just go over and check our message out from 2020 and 21. Me just see message. You understand? I reach out, I send a message back. And he responded to me about maybe 2 or 3 days after. And when he reached out to me, and I said to him, say, who is this? And I was like, I say, you said to reach out to you and whatever it is. And when he reached out to me, he was so excited. He said, him can't be, see me talk to. He has been trying to search me for a long time because God said him to bless me. Because said I took him out of depression. He never told me that me in a situation because that man catch me going about my business, enjoying my life up and down all over the place. If I not check videotape from those previous time, me just talk my story. Him tell me say he would like to bless me if me all right. Me say yes, me all right. Him say you need anything? I said no, I don't need nothing. Remember some know it's a man of father, I'm not trust people. Them the time there. Them the time there. Him don't know him sit down and I watch over the fence and clock me down. But them that him didn't tell me. after he and I was speaking, most of our conversation was speaking about over the fence and other bloggers, their condition and their situation. So this man is a traitor. And we discussed for a very long time about what over the fence I do and what the other rest of blogger them I do. Him speaking against them and all kind of something and him say we talk about at them we discuss. Them at them we were discussing. I'm say I'm going to help you. I have a lawyer friend and I'm going to get a lawyer so over the fence can't mess with you. You hear me attack say? I won't if you no one believe me. So me and him were talking. And him say, I would love to bless you with $1,000 because of what. Mr. Listen to me. I said, that is too much money. Really? That him say, yes, man, don't worry yourself. I can afford it. Mr. Me not think me can't text more. Mr. But why would you want to bless me in church and use up or why would you want to bless me and not me never hear no pastor give the money in church want money? As God up heaven, that's what I said to him. Him said, no, man, I can give it. Me said, listen, that's too much money. Me say, all right, then no problem. Me have something to fix for my car. I remember saying my car did meet down a little tiny accident in light. Me said, okay, no problem. I will use that money to go towards my car, the lights them for my car. That's what I said. Then when he give me, he said to me, say, okay, you have a Zelle? Me say, yes, I have a Zelle. And him send the money through the Zelle come give me. And me text him back and me say, wow, cause me never believe him. Say he was gonna send me that much money till I got my truth. I think a day or two or so before him send the money. And me say, cause him say I'm going to get and send it. When him send it come give me, him say, do you want it now? Me say, no, me don't want it now because it's not a rush. Because I'm going to buy the stuff them for the car. So just for show you, so me never desperate for the man because at them time there, when I was at that particular place, me have my money back account and me just get my partner draw how much $1,000 when that man reach out to me. You understand? Me left there with my money. And me have the money. You understand? So me say, no man, you don't have to be in a hurry. Ask God up heaven. Me not tell no lie upon Jesus Christ. Because God bless me too much and me don't want to take my blessing right and give me right now. Me say, no man, you don't have to give me now whenever you're ready. Him say, you're coming to New York City? And I said, I'm supposed to come to pick up merchandise. I remember saying me a sell sheet and something said, you know. Me say, me supposed to come. Me say, well, if anything, you can pass by and you can pick it up. But true, me not really trust nobody. Me keep my whole heap of excuse. Me say, no, man, it's all right. Whenever you're ready, it's no problem. You can send it come. So I wasn't desperate for getting money because me not know him and me not have no luck with people. Because remember, say me did go through situation with acquaintances of mine when me and him travel. So me kind of hesitant to take him money. So me not very careful. So me I'll put him off. As God have me said, no, take your time. I wanted to fix my car to get stuff for my car. So take your time. I may know you over here. Listen to me, Sean Miller. As so me said to him, I said, take your time. Him said, no, him said, when you come to New York, if anything, you can pass by and me meet you and drop. Me said, take your time. It is not a problem. You hear what I said? Me tell him to take in time because I don't need it. Me in a nice hotel downtown Marcia, you know. And me have my money for me, you know. I never call that man one day and tell him say me hungry. Me this and me that can remember say wanna see me all over the place said we during them time there whether Woodland Village or Woodland Village not. As so me talk to him, you know. Me turned to him also and I said to him, are you involved with anybody on social media? Like any bloggers or over the fence them or what? He said, no, no, no. I don't get mixed up in those things. I just browse through and and whatever. I say sure. Then me said I said this question is a question I want to ask you. Are you involved in any form of things like any Illuminati or anything? And can me just cause me a woman, is a spiritual woman, I'm a plain woman. So me I ask him all kind of stuff. I say no, 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 no. Because through me, say, give me $1,000, me I wonder I won't get money from for giving to me. So me I say I wonder if some, some things and whatever. So me was kind of, me I asked him the question and he was very plain. He said, no man, you're a joke, you really is a woman of God, You really is something else, You hear them the question where I asked me, I say yes, because And if you're involved in any form of things and you're involved in going around with social media people, me don't want it because me don't want my name go call up. As so me tell him, you know. I may talk to him just like that. Him say, no man, I don't deal with those people. It sick me stomach and it hurt my heart to see how them I do you. I'm a long time I want to reach out to you. As Sean Miller, me know you over here listen to me because you're addicted to me. You over here listen to me like a medicine. Me not ask you. I know you're here. And I'm letting you know, Marcia mouth is a goat mouth. You're going to come out here one day, come apologize to me and confess. Me not ask you. Because you know say anything Marcia say, I saw you go. And you're going to come out here and you're going to bawl and you're going to tell a story. Sean Miller, do not let me release those voicemail that you sent me, and do not let me, Marcia Campbell, release those long letters that you send me regarding over the fence and the things them that you tell me. Leave me alone and go on about your business because it's not going to look good for you. But if I have to release those long notes that you have sent me during them time there and after even when you went on social media and went over the fence page and all them something there, the people is going to think that you need psychological evaluation within the long essay there. And I see you on social media writing long piece of essay on people page. I am here to tell you, and I could have rattled you out from last year when you go over and I said me now put out no voicemail and no nothing. I'm still not going to rattle you out because I am a child of God. And true me know say you and I have spoken on the phone, no secret you don't have for me. But me see say you not get better yet. And I'm going to like nobody even dash out them sort of something there. Cause me a woman, me keep things. Cause me is a principle woman. Because true me know say God is gonna come true for me one of them day and I have to come out here, come go on. Me going because you go on about your business, Sean Miller. So me I telling this story now. About 2 or 3 days after I'm send the money, I may say, okay, I'm gonna go buy the parts them. I order the something them from Amazon. I may send it go get me say, listen, I just ordered the stuff them for the truck. So just for sure you say, I didn't want that money to pay no hotel bill. Nah, not at all. Because I knew one day this was gonna come back. As the months and weeks progress, me dep on social media, me ma talk him check up sometime him say him want some sheet. And when him ready, him go buy some sheet. Him support my business must say about what, 1 or 2 times. And me never ask if you support my business. Even when the last time you support my business, me cuss you off. And you still come over here and come. And me say, listen to me. You come on my page every single time said we. Even when me cuss you off last year, you still come on my page and type up said we, me ignore you for a long time. And I had some sheets that was left over and some quilt. And you say, come on, people, the sheet them good. Let's support her. So when you come and talk about you support me in all kind of way, I never call you until you support me. Me never call you to support me, no. You get good sheet for good price. So the best sheet they ever get by your ass bed. You get good sheet. The sheet them good. Your sheet them is very good. Where you get. So me I telling you so about a month or two after. I don't even know if I so long. I mean a month or two after. Me hear, me see, me never went up now me see me somebody say, Marcia, you know, see the pastor man depend over the fence page. Me say, what you saying? And I talk about you. And I put it down in one way. Me say, what? Me never know him know me. Me never know. Me never know say know me people after and tell me say in an association with them. At that, remember saying about a month or two after, about a month or a couple weeks after, the man went over the fence page, So when these people attack, say, pan them blogging page, or me shouldn't take it, me know, say, was with him. Remember, me ask the man if he know them, So it's like few weeks after, me realize, say, when a member say, when the man bless me, people, remember, say, me come out of social media the next day and telling us, say, one pastor, what me get blessed by one pastor, man. But me not call on him. Because when people give me something, me talk, So I came out and I said, people, would you believe it that a pastor man, somebody blessed me with $1,000, pastor man blessed me with $1,000. I came out and I talk, I came, who remember? Diane, una some of my supporters them. Una remember, I came out and I tell them say somebody bless me with that money. And me can't be say one pastor man bless me when them a collect money in a church. I came out and I spoke about it. Anything nobody give me, I was come out and talk, you know. Eh? Oh, here, remember. Diane, you remember? Anybody remember put it right there, so? I never kept it a secret. I came out and I said, people in the believe me get a miracle. One pastor man bless me with $1,000. Me never know that pastor could have blessed me with $1,000 when church I look money. All I want to hear, please confirm it right here. Because me not tell no lie. If me a tell no lie, God strike me and kill me right now. I don't wake up in the morning. Pan this man. We are quote my mouth tonight. Any lie me a tell pan that the man will claim say my pastor. God, make me heart stop and don't wake up in the morning. Let me go home to glory. If I'm telling any lie. Me came out and I said the pastor man bless me with that money. You hear me tell us I'm not afraid of that. Me say if I'm telling a lie on this man tonight, I'm telling you right now. God stop my heart and make me go home to you. Because me not tell no lie on this man. You hear me tell you? The man came to me as a sheep in a wool clothes. He's so compassionate. When he's talking to me, him sound like any baby, like him is so attentive. And me I tell him, say, you know what? Me say everything is fine now, except that, I was over Woodland Village and, things, the place was in situation. And, business was slow and I went to United City to get some help. And when you go to United City, you got to get some help. You can no longer pay rent. And the people, it take a very long time. And the people them couldn't wait inpatient and whatever. And they gave me the something to leave. Because I was complaining about the roach them and the whatever and stuff like that. And everybody know that when you go to United City for rent, you don't pay nothing. And it took a very long time. At the time, United City gave me $15,000. You understand? It took about 6 to 7 months before that paperwork came through. Anybody who worked to United City, if you don't have children and disability and all them sort of something, there's a government funded program that was given out. $15,000 to everybody. Everybody in a Woodland Village